Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a river. Let's start off by drawing some hills in the background with a line coming down to the right. And a curved line starting here and going to the right. From this end, draw a winding river with a line that bends to the left and right as it goes down. Followed by another line from the same point that follows the bend of the river but widens out towards the bottom. On top of this hill, draw some rough cloud shapes with the tops of some trees in the background, and also some on the left side as well. To give the river some texture, add some really thin lines following the bends of the river to make it look like the water is flowing. And for some added detail, draw a big oak tree here by the river. To learn how to draw an oak tree, make sure to check out our other video linked in the description below. On the right side of the oak tree, continue the line for the hill, and the cloud shapes for the trees in the background. Lastly, add a few tall zigzags around the water for some grass or reeds. And now you've got a river.